Hey there my YouTube fam, today I'm going to teach you this peacock inspired half cut crease eye makeup. So let's get started. This brush is from MORPHE brushes. Taking this dark blue shade from MORPHE 35B palette. Starting my makeup by applying the shade on my crease. By the way, the lens shade is Lemon Chestnut by UNICOEYE. I will link down in the description bar so you can purchase them easily. Moving on to the tutorial, this small fluffy blending brush is from MORPHE brushes. I love how their bristles are picking up the product. If you really wanted to invest on good brushes, just go for the MORPHEs without any doubt. Taking this dark green shade and applying over the blue shade, and make sure to blend it as much as I can. By blending in upward direction, you can see that there is no harsh edges. Onto the other eye. This brush is from MORPHE brushes. Taking this yellow shade, applying over green and soften the edges as well. This brush is also from MORPHE brushes. Taking this lighter blue shade from the same palette, creating more depth to my crease. Now, taking the same darker blue which we applied in the beginning, applying it to my crease for more intense look. Onto the other eye. This flat rounded brush is from ZHOOSH Cosmetics, and this concealer is from LEMON Cosmetics in shade Ivory. Applying the concealer to the half of my lid and blending it as well. Taking this neon pink shade, applying on that area where I applied concealer before. For more intense look, I am reapplying it about 3 to 4 times. Taking this brush by MORPHE brushes and same blue shade, blending the outer V of my eye. Onto the other eye. This brush is from ZHOOSH Cosmetics. Taking this shimmery pink kind of shade, dabbing it over the matte pink shade. This mascara is from Essence/Cool Princess Mascara. Applying it to my lashes. This short smudger brush is also from ZHOOSH Cosmetics. Taking the same blue shade. I totally forgot to film that I first applied the neon pink shade, and on that shade I apply blue shade and smoking it out. This brush is from Drugstore. Taking this highlighting shade from ZHOOSH Cosmetics highlighting palette in shade Electra. Applying it to my brow bone. Onto the other eye. The this is the final look. I hope you will like it. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.